Hi, I'm Chris with Haven Home Lighting, and I'm here to talk to you today about the magic of zoning your landscape lighting. When we created the product, zoning was one of the critical elements that we wanted to incorporate it into the line. It allows the capability to change your house, different colors, turn lights on and off at different times, and incorporating that, especially around the holidays, was an important feature that we wanted to allow our customers to do and for us to use personally. So we're all busy. Trying to fit everything in a day is tough for all of us. As we get more and more technology, the more busier we get. Seems like it should be the opposite, but that's not so true. But our technology alleviates time. With a touch of a button, it allows for celebration or spreading awareness without taking any time. So for instance, St. Patty's Day. I love the celebration of that day, but I always forget to wear green, right? I never remember St. Patty's Day, but when I come home from work, my house is already green. It's a way for me to participate without having to stress about participating. In essence, zoning puts smiles on people's faces. And it does that in a multitude of ways, and it does that for different occasions, and it does that through spreading awareness, whether it be a cancer survivor party or a fundraising event for a charity or a holiday, Christmas, baby reveal, we've had that. Any of these occasions, whether it's through giving back or celebration, the result is a smile. That's a cool thing to sell. So in my opinion, the number one reason we all do what we do around the holidays and around Christmas is for the kids. That's why we do it. We love to see the smiles on their faces. We love to see them having fun. And through that, we have fun. Being able to make our house as dramatic as it is on Christmas and have them pull up and see that every night is phenomenal. I think spreading that joy through our products, through our customers, we get to touch so many people, and it means a lot. So now you know why we incorporated zoning in our product, and we hope you have as much fun as we do with it. Send us your stories and send us your pictures. We love it. We love celebrating with you. We appreciate your business. If you want to find out how to zone, check out the link here or here or here or here. I'm not sure where it's going to be, but it's going to be somewhere. Check out the link. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also select the bell icon so you get notified when we have new videos. Thanks for watching.